Right, Bernama News continues. The flood mitigation project in northern Perak, which involves the development of the Kerian Integrated Green Industrial Park, requires an additional allocation of about 400 million ringgit. Deputy Prime Minister Dato Sri Fadillah Yusof said the project, developed by private sector through Sime Darby, faces challenges due to the soft soil in the area and its location in a low-lying zone that is prone to frequent flooding.
Jadi mereka mencadangkan untuk melaksanakan projek, dia akan membuat levee. Levee ialah untuk membuat benteng, diangkatkan benteng supaya air sungai nanti tidak akan melimpah. Tapi bila kita membuat kajian keseluruhan, ianya akan hanya dapat menyelesaikan sebahagian saja tempat, tidak menyeluruh. Sebab itu akhirnya daripada bengkel yang dilaksanakan, lebih sesuai projek ini digabungkan antara projek yang kita cadangkan juga untuk rancangan jambatan banjir, iaitu di Sungai Samagaga. Dan kita combinekan dengan apa yang berlaku di Kigip itu.
Speaking after officiating the national-level World Rivers Day celebration at Sungai Batu Teguh, Fadillah said combining the projects would expand flood mitigation coverage throughout the northern region of Perak, benefiting Kerian and its surrounding areas. Yesterday, heavy rainfall across the Larut, Matang and Selamat districts caused flooding in northern Perak. 4 relief centers were opened in Taiping to accommodate more than 200 people from 65 families.